Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on how to download the Avelo Airlines app on your Android device. With the Avelo app, you can effortlessly book flights, manage your reservations, and access exclusive deals, all at your fingertips. So let's get started. First of all, on your Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. Now type Avelo Airlines. You should see the Avelo Airlines app appear in the search results. Here you can see Avelo app by Avelo Incorporation. So this is the official one. So there is the install button right next to it. You can click on the install button. The app will now start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, tap on the open button to launch the Avelo Airlines app. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Avelo Airlines app on your Android device. You can now create your account or log in, and you are ready to explore all the features and benefits that the Avelo app has to offer. Happy travels! If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.